like in the middle of our day. But anyway, good place for you to start watching. And this is all shot by the Insta360 Go. So let's go.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know we got this. There's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know we got this.
And that's it, we're done for another day in central London. If you like this video, please give it a like. It's another day with the Insta360 Go. Consider subscribing if you want to see some more videos. Until then, here's some more videos you might like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Cheers, see ya.